Hey everyone, in this video we're going to compare the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and the Vivo X300 Pro cameras. We'll cover ultra-wide shots, daylight, and night mode. This video is recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra's footage looks more natural and sharper. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a quad camera setup on the back. 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 50 megapixel periscope camera with 5 times optical zoom, and a 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom. On the other hand, the Vivo X300 Pro has a triple camera setup. 50 megapixel main camera, 200 megapixel periscope camera with 3.5 times optical zoom, and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera. So let's jump right into the ultra-wide video. Here's the ultra-wide video at 4K 60 frames per second. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra captures colors that are more true to life, and the details are incredibly crisp. Let's move on to the low-light video comparison. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra's details in low light are very sharp. Let's move on to the daylight and low light photos. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra's camera truly stands out with its natural colors and sharp details. Which one do you think looks better? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.